We have this iPhone 6s here, water damaged. It's not turning on, not charging, nothing, no signs of life. So customers brought it in to us to see if we can repair it and also get the data off of the phone. This is the board. You can see corrosion here, here. Let's switch to the microscope view. Quite a bit of corrosion. So I'm going to start by just cleaning this off. And we're going to check how much power the device is pulling. So the moment I enable power, we have a leak somewhere on the board, so we're drawing 100 milliamps. So we do have a short somewhere. We're gonna grab the thermal camera, see if we can identify where the 100 milliamps is showing up on the board. The thermal view and outputting power. So we could see here in the top section of the board where our short is. U4000. So I remove U4000 from the board. It will release from the board as soon as the solder reaches melting temperature. You see a little bit of corrosion beneath the chip there. And if we look on the bottom side of the chip, it's definitely corroded. Okay, so we have Chestnut now installed onto the board, brand new IC chip. Okay, so we have Apple logo. Perfect. So go to the passcode screen here. Everything's functional. Yeah, so this phone came in water damaged. Using DC power, we noticed there was immediate leakage of 100 milliamps. So using thermal cam, we identified it as being the Chestnut IC, which the display IC chip. Replaced the chip, and the phone booted right up. And so yeah, it's a successful job. Thanks for watching.